Look, all that stress on my brain, right? Poker face, I'm in the game, right? Need a week to think, maybe 8 nights.
Good morning, everybody. I'm about to go get my hair sliced and diced real quick. So, hey, y'all know I normally have my caps on, and even when I got my hair cut, I still rock hats. I don't know, man. It's just something about me wearing hats. But let's go ahead and let's get this thing sliced up. Get it! And we are back, y'all. Got the fresh cut, man. Shout out to my bro DeJuan, man. Cruz Cuts, San Antonio, Texas. Y'all already know we rock. Finna go get some shit from Walmart, man. I gotta go grab some tire shine and some stuff for the car. I'm about to go wash the car. Even though it look like it's gonna rain, man, I'm still gonna wash it because I ain't washed it. I just been lazy, so I'm gonna go wash the whip. And we're gonna do a little bit of talking about something that happened yesterday. Shout out to DStreetZ, man. DStreetZ put me on proper game yesterday with something that's on the Travis Scotts that I never noticed, y'all. So a lot of people that got pairs might want to look out and check after this right here. Had to grab the little leather care wipes as well. Let's go wash the car. And we are finished with Rue. She looking good, as Super Duper Rooper would say. Yeah, it is. She need to go wash these floor mats though. You know what I'm saying? Take these things out and go wash these floor mats. They go to the out here drying, ready to insert them things now. Yes, Lord. Yes, Lord. So we are back in the sneaker dungeon, y'all. And like I said in the beginning of the video, just took y'all around, let y'all see a little bit what I did today. Washed the car, got my hair cut. That's pretty much it. Simple as that, y'all. But I wanted to talk about these Travis Scott Retro ones. Now, I've been seeing a lot of people posting about the shoes, a lot of fakes being made and different things like that. And last night, shout out to everybody that pulled up in the chat last night. Shout out to my bro Rupert. Shout out to my bro Ty. Shout out to my bro J.Mac. Yo, we was talking, and in the chat, so far, I've seen 3 different production dates for the Travis Scott ones, and 2 different production dates for the ones from Nike. And I didn't even ask the other person that I know that hit on these on the Travis Scott site what their production date was. But one is from like November to December. Well, both of them are like from 2 different ones from November to December, and then you got one from in December that I've seen, or people have said that they have. Now, y'all know, man, shout out to Rupert, man, for real. Y'all know when we talk about these fake shoes that people get through, Rupert always saying, you know, watch for the pinchy pinch on the shoes. But in this case, on this particular pair of shoes, shout out to DStreetZ, man. You gotta watch for the box gang, shawty, on these things, man. And I'm about to show y'all right now. So when you look at this box, all you see is red. Like, y'all go ahead, y'all look at that thing, man. Let's go ahead and let's gaze over this thing, man. All you see is red, right? All you see is red. When you just take a quick little glimpse at it, all y'all see is red. Now look, y'all. Look right here. Let's see if we can get this thing to focus in on it. Matter of fact, we're gonna have to move the camera into the light for y'all. Look at this, y'all. Do y'all see that? There is a stamp in the box, y'all. You can't, if you're looking at a box like this, you can kind of, you wouldn't really see it, to be honest. You know what I'm saying? If you're just looking at the box like this. Honestly, when I did my review and I popped the lid outside, I did not see that, y'all. There is a stamp inside the box. So instead of watching for the pinch, watching for the hook, y'all need to watch for that stamp. It is. So that is the video for today, y'all. Watching for that damn stamp, man. I cannot believe it. I missed that. I missed that damn stamp, man. And that just it kind of gave me
You know what I'm saying? It made me, I was like, damn, what a rookie move. But you know what I'm saying? I honestly didn't see it, y'all. I did not see that stamp in the box. And I mean, and I was in the sun, y'all. I was outside, which is no excuse, but you know, with that natural light, I thought maybe I would have picked something up like that. But I was looking for a colored stamp, not that translucent looking, you know, blend in red stamp on this box. So that is pretty much it, y'all. Y'all check y'all Travis Scott's, man, down below. Let me know what your production date is in your Travis Scott's. So far, we've seen 3 different production dates. Like I said, my pair is December 4th to December 25th. And you know, I just want to know. I know we've seen, I think, November 4th through December 26th as well. And there was another one that was like another day in December. But the shoe was dope. The shoe is dope, should I say. If you picked up the shoe, congratulations to you. I hope if you didn't pick up the shoe and you want the shoe, I hope you're able to get it for a good price. Y'all be careful because the prices are going to back up on them things. It's like they're going like a roller coaster right now. But I think they're gonna spike back up a little bit. Make sure y'all follow your boy on all my social media platforms. Instagram, DaRetroWizKid. Y'all already know we got the 4K giveaway in full effect with Balls Clothing. All the rules and everything are on my Instagram as well as on Balls' Instagram, but everything's right there. So if you guys would like to enter, head over to Instagram and rules are there, man. Follow your boy over there on Twitter at Wiz_retro, and on Facebook, don't forget to splash that like button, man. It's your boy DaRetroWizKid. Like I said, short video today. I love y'all. I appreciate all the love and support. Who y'all got in the NBA Finals? Y'all already know how we rocking right now, man. We taking that dub. We trying to hit that 3-peat this year, and we out. Get it!